Hello, beautiful soul. Do you ever feel lonely with people around you? Do you ever feel lost or confused about your life? Often, people from various walks of life struggle with the feeling of emptiness and they just don't know the reason why. It happens to everyone at some point or the other. No matter how much money you earn, or no matter how popular you get, no matter how beautiful and attractive you are, no matter how successful you are in life, you might find that there is still some element missing in your life. Often, one ignores this feeling, but you know what? This feeling of emptiness needs attention. This feeling of something missing needs your attention as it reflects a much deeper element that we have within ourselves. Today, I, Preeti Bora, a tarot card reader, angel therapist, and an emotional health advisor, would like to take this opportunity to share with you the most possible reasons why you feel empty. This video will help you understand what is this emptiness all about and how can you deal with it. Often, when you have been too engrossed in the world outside, the materialistic world, okay, job, money, family, girlfriend, spouse, everything outside, a lack of the insight into your own self, what's happening within you, might be responsible for the feeling of emptiness that you are experiencing. When you lose touch with who you really are, what is it that you really want? Are you in the game of just pleasing others without knowing what you really want and who you really want to be? That can be your cause to feel this emptiness. If you are aimlessly living through life with no purpose, could be a reason of your emptiness. You might be just losing yourself to your work or to your relationships, dedicating all your time to your work, dedicating and spending all your time with your loved ones, busy pleasing your family members, your friends, your peer group, just to make sure that they are happy. While I am aware that you are loaded with responsibilities of work, of your relationships, of people around you, the commitments that you have in life, it is very, very important that you take out some time just for yourself. Have some quality alone time with yourself to reflect your inner thoughts, your feelings, to reflect, re-evaluate, to know what is it that you believe in, to know your inner values, to establish a stronger connect with your inner self so that you can emerge out with a stronger sense of your own individual identity. Another reason for feeling empty could be because you feel isolated, you feel detached from those people who are around you. You're surrounded with people, you have lots of friends, you have lots of relations, but you still feel empty. You still feel very, very lonely. In fact, studies have shown that our relationships often determine our happiness quotient. However, it's not simply the quantity of people around us, the number of people we are surrounded by, or the number of relationships we have, but the quality of relationships, quality of people who are around us. That is what matters. You may have people you see and talk to on a daily basis, but if you can't really laugh with them, if you can't just be yourself, you can't have a meaningful personal conversation, then there's nothing fruitful getting out of that relationship. It doesn't mean anything. It's not about being popular, having a lot of friends, especially the youth. They want bigger circles of friends. They want that popularity. They determine their lives, they measure their lives with the number of friends they have. But eventually, emotional bonds, closeness that you feel with them is what matters the most. So have few people around you, limited people, but have those meaningful people around you with whom you can share an emotional bond. You can open your heart out and talk. You can be who you want to be. That will help you eliminate that loneliness, that feeling of emptiness within you. Another possible reason why you feel empty could be your past. The emptiness you feel right now may be a sign that there is some unresolved feelings, lingering emotions from your past that you still have deep within you. A lot of time people feel lost, they feel lonely after breakups, after loss of their loved ones, or after they have failed in a particular milestone of their life. And this is because they define themselves with that person or that situation. And after losing that person or losing the situation, they lose their own identity. But that's not healthy. It's very important that you immediately become aware and mindful that you need to work on your identity. Your identity is far different from the people around you, from the situations that you face in life. When we lose something, we tend to regret and indulge in self-blame. We self-pity ourselves, not realizing that being a victim, feeling like a victim, or blaming ourselves, feeling like a demon, either ways, okay, is not going to do any good. It's only going to harm us. So it is so very important to make peace with our past. There is, sometimes the past holds on so hard onto us that it becomes very difficult for us to enjoy our present. So it's very important that you let go of your past, work on what's holding you back, refocus your attention on the present. Forgiveness is one of the great ways of doing it, and gratitude is one of the great ways of doing it. So forgive yourself, forgive others, allow yourself to heal, grow, and give gratitude of what you have today. Be very mindful of what you have today. That's how you will start living in the present. And if you can't do this by yourself, I'm just a message away. I'm just a call away. And I'll be more than happy to handle you through this journey of healing, of growing, of eliminating this emptiness within you and making the most of life, this beautiful life that you have. Just trust and take that leap ahead. Take that step ahead. Another reason why you could also be feeling empty, feeling blah in life is you are probably heading aimlessly. Having something you're passionate about can keep you from feeling bored. And, because you're working towards something that you really love, because you're working towards something that is more meaningful, that gives you an upliftment, that brings about a positive difference in your world, can actually add so much value in your existence. At the end of the day, the only person who can help you understand the reason why you're feeling empty is you, your own self. So make sure that you take out that time for yourself, sit with yourself, introspect, look deep within yourself to understand from where are these feelings coming up. There could be more than one reason for you to feel empty. And the sooner you figure out that it is, a particular element that's making you feel this way, the sooner you can work on it. And the sooner you resolve it, you work on it, the more happier you will be, the more fulfilling life you will have. So remember this. Give yourself time. If you do not, and you're so lost in the world outside that you cannot connect with yourself within, at many stages of life, you will feel stuck. So remember to regularly connect with yourself, rejuvenate, reevaluate, and take the necessary actions for having a more happier, fulfilling, meaningful life. If you have liked this video, if you have felt any connect or this content has really made some sense to you, please shower your love. Do like it, do share it, share your viewpoints in the comments. Ask me if you have any questions in the comments. I'll be happy to address. If you cannot comment publicly, I have all of my social media handles mentioned below. You can connect with me personally on any one of them, and I will be happy to answer. I will be happy to share. If you know people in your life, or probably you don't even know, because people do keep quiet about all of this, they don't share, they don't come out in the open and talk. But if you think that this video can add some value and some meaning to anyone's life, please share. Share it to as many people as you can. For all you know, you would touch someone's life and bring a difference to their life. Keep liking, keep sharing, and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't as yet. Until my next video, God bless you. Take care.